Looking to make something sweet and really delicious to share and make in your very own kitchen? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have a delicious dessert recipe with fresh peach pastry cups. So let's get started. Let's prepare the peaches. Now the puff pastry. Let's build the pastry cups. Set your timer for 20 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Humans began selecting and cultivating peaches around 8,000 to 7,000 years ago. Alexander the Great introduced peaches to Greece and the Roman Empire by the 1st century AD. Spanish explorers introduced peaches to the New World. Peaches have become garden and culinary staples, featured in cobblers, pies, and festivals like Georgia's National Peach Festival. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get one of these onto a plate. Topped with powdered sugar, this one's ready for the table. Finished with whipped cream, this one is ready to be enjoyed. Finished with a scoop of ice cream, this one is ready to be served. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. This peach dessert features flaky puff pastries filled with sweet, juicy peaches with cinnamon and nutmeg. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a dessert you can be proud you made at home. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.